Hello Stafford, and it's an exciting year for 2025 for the Stafford Police Department. You'll soon be seeing some of our new vehicles hitting the street. We received 4 of the 6 vehicles that the order was placed for by the city, and we received all 4 of our governor grant vehicles. So we're starting to replenish our fleet to get rid of the older vehicles. The new vehicles that you'll see on the street will also have a new striping to it, and so you'll be able to recognize that. Also, they are Tahoes and no longer Fords. So we are excited about all the new equipment that is in them, all the new technology that's been placed inside of these vehicles, and we thank the mayor and city council for making it happen, and we thank the state, and also Ashley Merchant, the city's grant manager, for making sure that we are in compliance and able to obtain the grant for the 4 vehicles. We've also just been notified that we have received the governor's grant again this year. However, I believe it's only going to be enough to build 1 new vehicle, but we'll take it. We're looking forward to serving the community in these new apparatuses, and if you see an officer and you want to take a look at it, just flag them down, and we appreciate y'all's support. The new vehicles are going to benefit the community tremendously. One, they're going to save the city money because the cost of repairs for the older vehicles has grown to be astronomical. These vehicles, we don't have to worry about them breaking down on the way to a call, therefore reducing our time that it takes to get to a call, and the vehicles are better gas-saving vehicles. They've got all the new technology in them, so they're really a mobile computer, for lack of a better term. We're still waiting on 2 vehicles to arrive. They are in the Houston area. They are being outfitted. One of those vehicles is going to be a Chevrolet pickup truck that is earmarked for our traffic unit. The other one is a Chevrolet vehicle car that will be going down to the school, and the SROs will be using it. The pickup truck is part of the package that the mayor and council put together for us, and the Chevrolet vehicle was purchased out of our child safety fund. Those funds can only be used for equipment for the SROs. So this is the first vehicle that we are purchasing out of that fund, and so you'll see it driving around the SMSD complex.
So the new 2024 Tahoe is beneficial for the city of Stafford for multiple reasons. The first being the emergency lights. If you notice, you have emergency lights to the rear that coincide with the brake lamps and the tail lamps. Okay, the second is the emergency lights on the side and the running boards. Those are for when we're coming through intersections that our civilian population can see us as we're traveling through there in emergency capacity. The second thing is obviously they're larger, not only in the driver's compartment and the passenger's compartment, but in the rear so we can hold more equipment. Lastly, these vehicles are more reliable for our citizens, that we're going to be able to respond quickly and efficiently to their needs.